Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can put a link in your TikTok bio. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your TikTok application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in. After that, you'll be on the timeline tab of your account. Now just tap on your profile icon at the bottom to access your profile page. Now select the hamburger menu and then just select settings and privacy. Access the account tab and make sure your account is converted into business. If it isn't, then switch it from here. After that, just go back to your profile page, just tap on edit profile button, go to your bio section and then type in or paste your link. You can also paste a link in the website section, but first you need to verify your business, and that's it. So this is basically how you can put a link in your TikTok bio. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.